Get it. Came off from a big X and came home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big mad. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
Hey guys, so I know it's dark in this video. I don't know how I'm looking right now. I do not have my tripod, but I am heading to an event and y'all are coming with me. So I'm vlogging a little bit and I'm about to end it right now. So just keep on watching. We're about to go to this Bellevie photo shoot. It's already started. I'm a little late. I had a couple of things to do, you know, mommy duties and all that. So hopefully when we get there, there's still stuff going on because I'm trying to vlog. So I'm about to head in the Uber and head over there. Oh my god. Woo. It is windy out here. This thing say 5 minutes. He need to hurry up because it's cold. Where is this Uber at? Why is it taking so long? Where is he? Yeah.
Why do Emily have her? Like Emily camera.
How you doing?
Classmate. Emily has her camera.
She's just getting here.
Oh, you can take your picture?
No, I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Oh, she did.
So here, got here, pictures.
You got a car? He said take a picture. Don't make her take her picture.
She just took her pictures. She's about to take a picture. She got hair time. So these are the lights up here. It's so pretty. Got that logo. Bellevie.
So the food was busting. Bugging the shirt. First of all, I had Henny. I had Sarah. I'm trying to figure out.
I'll turn. I think I dropped too much. She hid it from me. Get off my phone.
That's it?
What is it?
Hey! With that little shirt. Hey! Excuse me, nobody's listening. Something quiet. You don't want that?
What? Oh, you?
Bold fire. I'm not saying this for me.
Oh my gosh.
I just been like, since I've been
School tomorrow?
School tomorrow, period.
I want you to do it for the picture. It'll make the picture look stronger.
The pictures in your phone. I want to see that.
Hi, welcome to the Bellevie Salon. Yes. You got the name now. You baby mama for the rest of the day. Alright, beautiful. Yes.
I would have looked if I was in the photo shoot. I'm trying to give looks to the camera like I was in the photo shoot. Look at her booty.
Period.
Let me go see what they're doing out here.
And in photography.
It's lit. I got my other battery too.
Face bully. Yeah. Face bully. Face bully.
So that's Schweppes. Oh, there was a Guinness. I like Guinness. Girl, I don't even drink. Get it. I love these lights. Like, do you see
I love today. I like
these lights?
I like my face.
I like your face too.
My face, man. I'm ready to suck, man. Dick. Put me on any corner.
Girl,
What's the vibe? I know I'm making me a band tonight.
we not sucking no dick tonight. Anything ain't boogie.
This is the room. Do you see me watching all your videos? I watch like every single one of your videos.
I really can't see you watching my videos.
You know what's crazy? Because I was watching your videos, but I wasn't finishing watching them until you told me that day that you could see. I was like, oh shit, now I have to watch all her videos.
Watching my video.
Like all of them. I was like, she better tell me she's seen this and she can see.
Now I can't see. I didn't see specifically who, but I can see like how.
I watched the whole shit to the captions, to the music. I was like, when she said she can see when people don't watch the whole thing, I was like, I feel bad. In your chest, you know? They on your heels. I lost my breath, bitch. She on her breath. Got new biz that I ain't promoted. All of my friends are money knowing. What? My shit OD shit.
But I stay focused, yeah. Start to stay low and everybody know this shit. Look back at it. She ain't never do this before, but she good at it. She never made up, she good at it. She make a nigga feel good when I look at it. I wanna do this first when I look at it. All the girls just wanna have fun with it. All the girls just wanna have fun. Can I come by? I get a different time of life.
Period. I work this. So this is not a fine shit. This is like some weird shit.
So this one get you.
Yo, I put up a story. This nigga is on my dick watching this shit 60 seconds after I posted. Like, damn, honeys. Let the story load first.
Like the story though.
500 racks in the sink, 500 racks in the club. What you know about showing love? What you know about putting love? Bitches on the love. All of my niggas together. We came from the bodies we used to wear each other.
So, I had so much fun. I got some bundles and I'm up here in the house. I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I get inside or whatever, but it was so lit. I had so much fun. Okay, like I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm about to do with these units because, honey, we about to be cute out here with the Bellevie hair, okay? I'm about to go to my house, so I'm gonna check y'all in a minute. Alright, so this is what I got. I got 3 bundles of 20 inches of body wave hair. Lighting is not all that great, y'all. My bad, but I'm in the living room. And this is a 613 bundle. And I'm about to do a surprise using this bundle along with the bundles that I reviewed. I'm gonna leave a link and I'm gonna be doing a surprise, so make sure y'all look out for that because that's coming. So I also got a 6x6 closure, but look at that closure. It is a big, and look at that, it is full. The density on this hair, y'all can't even see, but I'm gonna do a review. But look at this hair. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm about to take my makeup off. I'm about to exfoliate and all that because I got school in the morning, and I'm excited that I got to make this vlog. I never vlogged before, so this was like really fun to do. Like, it was lit. So I'm just upset that I didn't really get there earlier because I had mommy duties to do. But I would have got more footage, more behind the scenes when everybody was getting ready and stuff like that. But it was lit either way. And I'm glad I was able to support my girl and support her brand and support her business because it's lit. Anyway, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Come join the Emmy game. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, let everybody know about Bellevie. Okay, let everybody know we got the fiery hair on this side. But anyway, I'm gonna check you out my next video. Peace.